Hey class, this is Dr. Willis. I know it's late, but I felt really bad because I don't think that I really explained the Module 4 topics paper in enough detail for you. And I think that's why a lot of people were a little late getting it in. So what I want to do is take a second to try to explain that a little bit further for you. And what I have right here, I actually have the question. So I'm going to take a little time to go directly through it just to break it down a little further. So the first thing from the top, it says, what topic would you like to explore in your field of study? For this assignment, conduct some preliminary research to determine a topic relevant to your field that you would like to use for your final project. So what you first want to do is start brainstorming a little bit. You want to think about your area, your discipline, and you simply want to, I would simply go to Google, type it in, and see what comes up. Or you may already have something in mind that you've been wanting to study for a while within your discipline. So this will be the perfect time to actually brainstorm and conduct some background information on that potential topic. So that's the first thing you want to do. Now, the next thing you want to do is start to look for sources. And as the assignment says, you can use 3, and at least one of those has to be scholarly in nature. So it has to have research questions, it has to have methodologies, it has to have a results section and conclusion section. And that's going to be very important as we get towards the end and we start to wrap up that final project. So now I had a few questions about what should the resources reflect. The resources should reflect the topic that you're considering. So for example, if my major was creative writing and or English or creative writing, and I think somebody asked about a topic about the deficiency in up and coming students in their writing, meaning high school students are not proficient writers. So that's a good topic to brainstorm a little bit. So what you would want to do is find articles that are specifically related to high school students being deficient in writing. So something I would probably type in is, are high school students deficient in writing, or why do high school students struggle to write? And that would kind of spark some things within the search engine that could help you start to narrow down your topic because we don't want it too broad. And while I'm there, I also want to tell you that you're not married to this topic. We're gonna shift it, we're gonna adjust it, and we're gonna do a bunch of different things to get you to the right topic. So don't be stressed out about the topic at hand. Now, if you look at the questions, the first thing says the writing and format. How did the writing in each resource reflect professionalism in your discipline? Now, this is all based on those sources that you found. So within your discipline, think about your discipline. How did the author in those particular articles project professionalism in that area? And you'll simply break that down there. Did the resources employ the same format for giving information? Here you're just breaking down how the article or how the author relayed information. Did he use headings, subheadings, etc., etc.? The next thing, what are the major questions the author posed? How do they reflect your field of study? Why is it important that these questions be investigated? So now you're really breaking down the article and you're looking for those research questions. Every article won't have them. So it's going to be harder for those history majors and those creative writing majors to find it. So what you can do is send me the article and I can help you pinpoint the research questions. And lastly, what type of research was it? Was it qualitative or was it quantitative? Most of the time, quantitative is going to have numerical data, surveys, questionnaires. Your qualitative data is going to be more of interviews, case studies, and you'll see a lot more writing to explain certain things. So that really breaks it down. The biggest thing here is the topic and the resources. So what I want you to do is reach out to me so I can help you select topic and get resources. Okay? Do that and we can get this paper turned in and I can get it graded. All right. Have a great day.